Second.
Sa cooking monster. Sabi daw yung back sa side.
First time mo ba nila sa bakery?
Yes po. Yes.
So may orientation lang po tayo before we start. Ready na po ba sila?
Yes.
Hello, so today we're going to bake. We're here at Bake Bee. Okay, my tools are ready. Kasama talaga yung tripod sa bake. Hi, Jobs.
Hi. Wait, you need my help. Alat mo.
Wow. Alright, my ingredients are complete. All I have to do is to sieve on the mixing bowl and sieve the cocoa powder, baking powder, corn flour together. For the ingredients. All the ingredients. Malano. Kasi for the ingredients. So it's a mixture of butter and milk. And then sugar.
Tanggal ko na.
And then whole eggs.
Saka na.
And then the powder mix. And then holding and slowly lower the monitor heading to kitchen A. Be gentle, the flat and then this turn speed. The numbers on the left of the kitchen A indicate speed. Okay. Ay? So what's the speed? Ay, ganun pa.
Start ka sa Manila. Tapos tatangin sa'yo yung pump.
Okay.
Wala kang liquid.
Wow.
Sinabay mo.
Oo, sinabay ko. So, will it throw in it? Yes.
Pero dapat talaga sa'yo yung muna yung kailangan mag-pump muna yung itin.
Oh. Sorry. Mali guys, dapat pala laging unuuna ang itlog. So remember, prioritize your eggs. Gano'n katagal? So, I'll put this na here. 60 grams.
Kakapal yan lang. Gusto mo yun? Magiging kami niya. Nakasama.
Alright guys, while waiting, I put my mixture in the oven na. So while waiting for 22 minutes, we will do the icing mixture.
Alam mo, hindi nakaman eh.
Pero muntik na natapon kanina. So guys,
Una lang
done with
yun.
my icing mixture. So all I have to do is to put a royal blue food coloring. IG live na lang pala. Ay, hindi ko pala na-press yung record.
All this time.
Alright, so almost finished na ang ating monster cake, guys. It's called a monster cake. All I have to do is put the ice and the
That
lips.
will be a monster in the process of making it.
May nag-comment.
That's true. TJ say hi. That's true. Diba?
Tahimik ka kanina, Shakespeare, parang hindi naman ka.
Ano ba? Pero maganda naman.
She
Go
said
na.
you will become a monster in the process of making it. That's true. I almost became a monster. Pero let's put the ice na. And ano, kahit na lang saan.
Sure, ice dito ko.
Ayan.
Baka naman sa tuktok yan, friend.
Dito sa gilid. Guys, banlag siya.
Bakit nasa gilid yung mata, friend?
Sige, ganyan na lang.
Asa mo kasi yung iPad mo?
Ayun. Tapos,
Ay, oo nga, sa gilid niya. Banlag nga, tama si Mauro.
guys,
Hindi mo siya
behold, the monster cake. Mapaparar ka sa sarap. Rar. Bye, guys.